There is no God but one Allah. La ilaha illallah. His messenger Muhammad, His messenger Muhammad, Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah. When I drink and when I eat, I start with Bismillah. La ilaha illallah. When my work is all complete, when my work is all complete, I say Alhamdulillah. La ilaha illallah. When I promise to be good, when I promise to be good, I say Insha'Allah. La ilaha illallah. When I go to read my book, when I go to read my book, I say Rabbi zidni ilma. La ilaha illallah. When I go to read my book, when I go to read my book, I say help me ya Allah. La ilaha illallah. Come with me, come Baytullah, I'll teach you Kalamullah, I'll teach you Bismillah. La ilaha illallah. No one is great but Allah. I'll teach you Kalamullah, I'll teach you Kalamullah. Always remember till you die, you should never tell a lie. You will succeed Insha'Allah. La ilaha illallah. His messenger Muhammad, Muhammadur Rasul.